Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this session we'll be learning how to write alphabets from A to H, and this is session number 3, and I'm using the same nib which I used in my previous two videos. So as I explained in my strokes video, I am writing a J stroke followed by a slant tail and a beak stroke. So this will form our letter A. And I'm giving a curve in between. You can also give a straight line. Just make sure you don't apply too much of pressure on the paper and always use a good quality one. So here I have zoomed a bit so that you all can see properly. And for B, I am making a straight tail and a beak stroke followed by curves, two curves. So here you can see the upper curve is a little small and the lower curve I am making is a little huge. So a straight tail and a beak stroke followed by a small curve, give a break and then start with a second curve and a slant at the bottom. Sorry, curve at the bottom. So for C, we'll just make a curve. Now for D, it is similar to letter B, and we'll make a straight tail and a beak stroke followed by a curve and a curve at the bottom. Here I have made a straight tail and a beak stroke followed by a semicircle and a curve at the bottom. Now letter E and F both are quite similar. I'll be making a straight tail and a beak stroke followed by 3 curves for E and 2 curves for F. Now the letter G is almost similar to C, just there are few differences. Letter H is formed by writing two vertical straight tail and beak strokes followed by a curve in between. So two parallel lines and a curve. So guys, that's it for session 3 and more videos to be followed on this session. And hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye bye.